Hi YouTube. Hey, well today I've got a quick fix for you. I just bought a Bauer 2,000 pound PSI pressure washer, and I've heard a lot of guys complaining that there's no way to shut off the soap dispenser. Well, as I was assembling this thing, I got looking at it, and I come up with a real easy fix for you, so we're going to share it here today. So let's see, the soap dispenser, you know, the little clear hose that comes out of the soap tub. That little white hose or little clear hose right there, we're going to pop that off, and we're going to insert a fuel shutoff valve, a gas shutoff valve from a lawnmower or lawn tractor. And originally when I tried to do this, obviously I popped off the little hose thing, and I would try to get the little shutoff valve to tuck down in there behind the frame. And that just ended up not being a real good idea. We ended up just being a little too tight, and we had a kink in the hose, and I just couldn't figure out a good way to work around that. And even once I got it secured to the frame, it just wasn't working. So I took all that apart, and what I ended up doing was removing the hose from underneath the pump and bring it to the outside of the frame, and put the little shutoff valve on the outside of the frame, and zip tied it down there, and it works perfect, no problem at all. It was easy to secure it to the frame. It's not in the way at all, even sitting outside the way it is, and it works perfect. It was a quick, easy. Well, it took me more than 10 minutes, more than 10 minutes while I figured out what I was doing. But yeah, a quick, easy 10-minute fix. And the valves are on Amazon. I'm going to put a link down below. I think it's $5 or $6, something like that. So here it is. I'm just testing it. I got the soap nozzle in, and obviously nothing's coming out. Turn the valve, and I didn't have much soap in the container, but tip it over so it picks up. And there it is, drawing the soap just fine. And if you're done with the soap, then you just turn the little valve off, and the soap stops. You go ahead and fill your tub up and just turn it off and on however you want. So that's it. Quick, easy. Like I said, 5-10 minutes and you're done. I hope this is helpful. I hope you like and subscribe and watch for more videos.